So today I'm going to unbox a couple of this USB Type-C charging cable. These are the fast charging cable that I got from Amazon. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, one is the less than 240 watts USB to USB Type-C cable, and it is 6.6 feet, 2 packs. So it is compatible with the 140 watts, 100 watts, 60 watts. The other one's MACDADDY USB Type-C, magnetic USB Type-C to Type-C. It's 5 feet, 5 amp, nylon braided. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the product. So yeah, we're going to connect it and see if this really fast charging. Yeah, let's go and then plug it in and then test it out. Okay, I'm gonna connect this fast charging cable to my Note 20 Ultra. Up to 100%, it's supposed to be around 36 minutes. I have an adapter, fast charging adapter, so I'm just going to connect this in. Yep, so this one is correct, 36 minutes. Going to test these two out. These are the longer one. Yeah, it shows 36 minutes. Test out this last one. Yep, they're all good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.